Superstitious witch. Sometime, somewhere, lived a witch who met a hellion and immediately fell in love. She planned to get him and to get married with him. She wanted to be successful, so she used the bag with full of superstitious objects stolen from the mankind. But first she used her magic ball to check which object is the best for her plan. First she saw England in the 17th century. A king lived there at this time who was known as Charles I. He had a black cat and he thought it will bring good luck. He cared for it non-stop. But soon the cat died, and after it the king was arrested and executed. Seeing this, the witch kicked the cat away, but it was a great mistake, because hurting a cat is an omen, and the leg that kicked the cat immediately got rheumatic. She limped back to her bag and took out the next object. But it was a horseshoe, and knowing that the witches fear horseshoes, she threw it away. But the flying horseshoe hit her beloved devil right in the head. As the effect of the strike, the devil's sight blurred and thought the witch is a beautiful fairy. The witch wanted to propitiate him and so gave him a clover from the top of the bag. The devil saw clearly again and he started running as fast as he could, because only the witch didn't know that devils fear clovers. In her desperation, she reached for her magic mirror that could show her beautiful. But suddenly a spider turned up, and the witch was so scared that she dropped the mirror. 7 years of solitude. I can't get married for 7 years, she complained. The years passed and at last the 7 years expired. It was Friday the 13th. The witch started to look for her beloved devil with her full strength and without superstitious objects. But unfortunately, she didn't know the phrase that the Italians knew a long time ago. Di Venere e di Marte non si inizia e non si parte. That means at Wednesday and Friday we don't start nothing new and we don't begin a long journey. And that is why witches never had husbands.